Okay. So this is where we last left off, right? We updated our purchase orders, right? We received our coffee mugs. So now we can go ahead and get started with our daily sales. So looking at our journal, we can definitely say that there's definitely not enough room for the daily sales. So what we're going to do here is there is potential room for, fraudulent charges. So you can definitely want to draw a line there to prevent from that happening. And when you send your files out, lock them up. Protect your sheet so then no one can enter in anything from there. So that's what I'm going to do here. Draw my line. Make it thick. All right. And so that means we're going to be starting our sales on the next page, on General Journal number 16. So let me copy and paste the sales here. All right. Whoever's ready and wants to go.
Take a shot at it. All right, checking. I already but I came up with two different numbers. I'm double checking my stuff right now. All
Okay.
right. So how much it says checking for 27.36 and 81 cents.
Okay.
So our sales medium coffee was 5.11 and 43 cents. Our large coffee was five. That's why I caught it wrong. Okay, $598. Our supreme medium, 647.40. Our large supreme, $694.51. Our mugs, 76.89. Our government dues is 208.58, which brings the total to 2,736.81.
Okay. So 2736.81.
Just to do it the correct way, I'm still trying to figure this. I'm gonna go straight to deposits and make sure that I got a check in hand that I'm gonna put in the bank later. The amount of $2,736.81, 26th of June. Right after this, we're gonna go to the bank. From here, we're gonna go to our general ledger. Oh, yes. General ledger. Assets first, checking. $626. In-store sales. General Journal 16. $2,736.81, which brings us to a positive at $3,750.29. General ledger revenues. S- Sales medium coffee, regular bean coffee. 626. We sold 257 cups. General Journal 16. Credit for 511 and 43 cents. Current running balance is $3,325.29.
Good.
Sells large regular coffee. um, 626. 200 cups. General Journals 16. 16. A credit of 598. Again. Brings our balance to $4,069.39. Sells medium supreme coffee. 626. We sold 260 cups. General Journal 6 of $647.40. Brings our current running balance to $4,230.51.
Good.
Can you give me a second, please?
Of course.
Thank you. What was the last one we were on?
We are. This is medium supreme coffee.
Okay, I'm good now, thanks.
All right. Now we're going to go down to sales. Large supreme coffee. The 26th of June. We sold 199 cups. General Journal 16. Credit of $694.51. Brings our running balance to $4,655.66.
Good.
Now our mugs. Going to our mugs. All right. Sales of our ceramic coffee mugs. 626. We sold 11 mugs. General Journal 16. Credit of $76.89, which brings our balance to $1,035.27.
10:35:27. Good.
Yes. Next, we're going to liabilities because I forgot last time. Now you remember. We are going to pay Uncle Sam his dues. sales tax payable. All right. 26th of June. In store sales. General Journal 16. Credit of 208.81 brings our running total to $1,237.92.
1237.92. Good.
208.81. I thought it was 208.58.
Oh, you're right. Hold up. 208.58.
Yeah.
I'm looking on top. All right, yeah, and it brings us to $1,446.50.
Wait, what would you do? 208.58.
Oh, I know what I did. Okay, brings our running balance to $1,237.69.
All right.
Is that correct?
That's what I have. I don't know.
I'm clicking over to see what you got.
Oh yes, yeah. When I typed it in, I got 1237.69.
Okay, yeah. All right. Say Uncle Sam. And that is all for in-store sales. Now we gotta see what we used up. So we use 40 pounds of regular and 41 and a half of Supreme. So we're gonna go to inventory. Service might go around. Okay, 626. We use 40 pounds of the regular coffee at current cost at 1.63073. Total lean $65.23. Okay. Out of our inventory in hand, we're going to subtract 40 pounds from the 222 pounds and a quarter, which ends up being 182 and a quarter. Our current total is going to subtract the 65.23 from the $362.40, which gives us $200. $297.20.
Good.
And our cost on hand is 1.63073. Now our Supreme Coffee. All right, Spring Coffee. We use 626. We use 41 and a half pounds at $1.86, which brings our total to $77.19. Now, on hand, our quantity out of the 121 and a quarter. Um, we're going to minus or subtract, take away 41 and a half, which should give us 79.75.
What was it? The total amount? 77.19.
That is right. Let me make sure. Then 77.19, which brings us to, this is where I got some minutes. Okay, $148.335. Are we rounding that up to, or just leaving it as is?
Well, in this case, I calculated on the side here. I just took the two numbers and just subtracted them out. And I got, it's supposed to be rounded down to 33 cents.
So the correct one is $379.58, not 59 cents. Sorry.
58 cents, yeah.
I'm always off by a penny when it comes to this one for some reason. Now we go back to our general journal. Cost of goods for regular coffee is going to be 65.23. Cost of goods for Supreme Coffee is going to be $77.19. 5.23 again for regular coffee. Cream coffee 77.19. Notes in store use. From here, we're going to move on to our general ledger, cost of goods. Regular coffee, we use 40 pounds. General journal, 16. Debit of 65.23. These are running current balance to $716.30.
What was that again?
$716.30.
Perfect.
On to Supreme Coffee. Journal 16. Debit of $77.19, which brings our number to 767 and 67 cents.
Good.
Now, down to our assets. It's on Nicole came up. We're going to wait for her a little while.
Okay.
Did you see the numbers again?
Which numbers?
I'm thinking for
The cost of goods sold?
Yes. She got a different number. No, it should be 767 and 67 cents. She got it.
She said she's good.
Okay.
Okay. Assets, regular coffee. We use 626. We used 40 pounds. General Journal 16. A credit for $65.23, which brings the running total to $297.20. Now down to Supreme Coffee. $6.26. We use 41.5 pounds. General Journal 16. A credit of $77.19, which brings us to $379.58. And lucky for me, they do match my inventory.
Good job.
Woohoo, both of them do. Oh, let me check. Okay, yes, both of them match the inventory. All right. Okay, now that we have deposit to check, this is where I was kind of. Do we write that in checking, or do we just leave it as the deposit? We don't write that in check because we didn't write check.
We already updated our checking, no?
Let me see.
In the very first,
Yes. Okay. All right. So yeah, I think we are done for today. We go home and take a nap.
All right.
Anybody else?
So now, rise and shine. It's a brand new day. What happened on the 27th here? Who did we deliver to?
Super A Market.
Okay. So first thing I did was I knew that I had a prepayment, so I wanted to verify by going to the subsidiary ledger under Super A Market. And of course, I'm in the wrong. There we go. Why are these like this? Okay, so I know I made a prepayment of $460.18, which should be a balance remaining for $460.17. So by going by my
Are we filling this out?
well, no, I'm not filling it out yet. I just
Okay.
want to go double check. Okay, so my figures match as far as 460.18, 460.17. So I'm gonna go back to the general journal. I just like to double check everything.
Okay.
So I'm gonna start with my accounts receivable and unearned revenue for my debits.
Right. Here, because we have a prepayment, right? So their voucher is that they have it as an unearned revenue, right? We haven't earned our revenue yet, which it's considered a liability. However, now that we are completing the transaction, now we need to undo the liability because we've already done our services. So therefore, we need to zero out our unearned revenue because we've already completed the revenue. We earned it. All right, so good.
My two account numbers for that just 11,000 and 26,000. And I already have my amounts, 460.17 for the accounts receivable and 460.18 for my unearned revenue. And then for my credits, I'm going to have sales regular coffee, sales supreme coffee, and sales ceramic coffee mugs, and delivery income, which I just copy and pasted everything. My amount for the sales regular coffee is $246.75 and $219.45, $424.15, and $30. And do a quick double check. The sum should be $920.35, which is also what we have for a total sum on the left.
Excellent. Bless you.
Thank you.
For my notes, I just put Super A Market, invoice 107. I put the terms, And then after that, I just put payment applied. And then we're finished with the, wait a minute. Let's see. Need to go over to POs. Oh, no, wait a minute. Never mind.
Okay, good.
No, we're done with that one for the general journal. Now we have to go to general ledger. And I like to start at the top with accounts receivable. It is under assets. Ooh, that changes to today's date. Invoice 107. GJ 16. And a debit for 460.17. Next, we'll go to our
Oh, what's
bill.
what's the
wait.
ending balance?
Oh, let me go back. Forgot to tell you that. The ending balance is it 1974.55?
Good.
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is. All right. Liabilities.
Yes, unearned revenue. It's around line 201. 627. And then Super A Market. Invoice number 107. And applying to purchase order. J16. Debit for the 460.18, which should show us a zero balance after we put in our formula. Up 1 plus credits minus debits equals. And we want to go over to revenues. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah, because that's zero balance. Sales regular copy. 627.
Oops. 627.
Sold 75 pounds. GJ 16. Credit for 246.75. Balance 855.40.
85540.
We move to Supreme Coffee. Date will be 6/27. Sold 55 pounds. GJ 16. Amount 219.45. Which gives us 857.85.
Good.
Then we'll move down to our sales ceramic coffee mugs. $6.27. Sold 85 mugs. GJ 16. For $24.15.
Okay, sorry. I got
Yeah,
it.
we sold some mugs. That brings the balance to 145942.
145942. Good.
Then we also have delivery income. $6.27. Invoice 107. GJ 16. For $30 should bring us to 210. With that, we're finished with the general ledger, and we will move to the subsidiary ledger. We'll go under customers under Super A Market. Date 6/27. Put in their prepayment applied. Check number 884. Invoice 107. AG 16. Terms are 1% 10 net 20. Should give you a discount date of 7 July and a due date of 17 of July.
It's 20 days. Oh, wait.
Oh, 20.
Yeah, 17 July. Sorry. My bad.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I know some are 20 and some are 30. Always got to watch out. Under sales, I put 920.35. Payment of 460.18.
payment?
Oh, now you know what? This is the one where you had us do something different. So because I drew my payment down so that my accounts receivable would show 460.17, but I didn't go back and change this when we were on the last where we got the advanced payment.
Okay.
So I gotta fix this.
All right. So in this case, we're going to drop the 460.18. Instead of the payment, we're going to put it under advance payment.
I meant to come back and fix this. And when you do that, it should show a balance for that account of 460.17 with a total of 958.97. When everyone's caught up, we need to update the inventory sheet. Date will be 6/27. Sold 75 pounds at 1.63073 to give us a total of 122.30. Then we'll update our inventory. The 182.25 minus the 75 should give us 107.25. To 97.20 minus the 122.30 should give us 47.70 with a
47.70.
oh wait a minute, I'm on the wrong line. 174.90.
Okay.
And cost per item should go to 1.63077.
Am I doing the formula wrong again? I always end up with a different number.
Where are you putting your formula?
Okay, let's see. It's equal 174.90 divided by 107.25. I have no idea why I end up with 1.63073. And I didn't reference anything.
Did you?
Oh, I did reference something. Okay. I see. Is that what would throw it off?
Yes. Because your previous one was 7.3.
Yeah. Okay. No, I didn't reference the top one. All right, I'll work on this for a second.
Okay. Because no, what I was trying to tell you is that the previous one was 7.3. It changed to 7.7. So did you say you saw what you did wrong?
Yeah, every time I gotta figure out where I'm wrong. Every time I reference the our regular sales from like 75 pounds and those, it throws off my numbers.
Okay, just if anything, like I said, just type in your answers or just retype your formula in and drag it all the way down so it keeps its formula intact. But as far as that, the formula is just literally my total cost divided by my total quantity. So are you able to fix it now? Were you able to reference the 174.90?
Yeah, after I took off my other formulas that I put in there and I just put the regular number in, I got the exact same answer.
Okay, yes. The only formula that this worksheet holds is right here in the middle where it says cost per item. You don't have any other formula anywhere else except for calculating the difference between these two.
Yeah, that's all right. After that, I guess we're moving on Supreme. Oh, wait, okay. Um, all right, Supreme. 27 of June. 55 pounds at $1.86, which is $102.30. Brings us 102.30. Got you. All right. Now to inventory on hand. Out of the 49.75, we're gonna take away 55 pounds, which gives us 24.75. Okay. Then so I was going to jump in because my numbers are wrong again somewhere.
I can't jump in. I have this one zeroed out on my sheet.
All right. All right. I'm going to try it. All right. So we're going to take the $148. I got 33 in the $148.335 minus our 102.30 should end up with $46.035.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
But we need to keep in mind that this half of a penny is rounded down.
Okay. So I went back. Okay, and I write stuff on the notes on the side. So I'm gonna take the 43.04035 and the 231.25. Kind of like you on the side. So I end up with $277.29 to just double check later.
Okay.
And then we're gonna go back to our general journal.
So in this case, it's 28.5. 285, not 29.
Oh, let me see again.
Because you have half of a penny.
Yeah, I ended up with 29. See, this is where I always mess up.
So just extend your cell out and you'll see that extra half of a penny. Or you can, if you want to, you can override it and just type it in. If it helps you so then you know and you're reminded instead of having to
I
have.
see it. Not, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was rounding up. Not. Yeah. Okay. General journal. Cost of goods. Regular coffee, Supreme. Again, regular coffee, Supreme coffee. On the notes, I'm gonna put down delivered invoice 107 to Super A Market. Um, Cost of goods sold, $122.30. Um, Cost of goods Supreme Coffee, 102.30. Regular coffee, ready for 122.30. Supreme Coffee, 102.30. Now on to our ledger. Um, 27th June, we sold 75 pounds. General Journal 16 for $122.30. Brings our running current balance to 716.30.
What was that?
Oh, sorry, I'm looking at one above. Sorry, I didn't put my formula down. Okay, $838.60.
Okay, good.
Cost of goods sold Supreme Coffee, sold 55 pounds. General Journal 16, $102.30. Brings our running balance to 869.97.
Good.
And where we double check everything, our assets. All right, 27th of June, we sold 75 pounds. General Journal 16, and a credit for $122.30. Brings our running total to $174.90, and it does match our inventory.
Good.
Down to our Supreme. 27th of June, we sold 55 pounds. General Journal 16, credit of 102.30. Our running balance is $277.28, which matches, and I am happy.
27. Yep, 27728. Good.
Now we're gonna go back to our general journal and do our deposit.
What deposit do we need to
No,
do?
no, I'm just reading the list. I'm just reading the notes on the thing. It says, hold up. Am I wrong now?
I don't
Never
think
mind.
I wrote deposit under here.
No. My paper's all confused.
Okay.
I got it all shuffled. All right. And I think we're on to the next day. Next order.
Let me see. Let me see if we're good on time first. Ooh. Excuse me. Yeah, go ahead and do this last one, and then we'll stop here. Oh, wait. We delivered to, who did we deliver to? Super A Market. Did we count for the commissions?
Order number 107, $929.35. His commission is $92.04. And it brings his running total to $278.17.
What did you say?
Total commissions. Mine's
Yeah, no, it should be 137.99. He said 20 something, and I didn't get that.
Me neither. That's why I said. I asked him. What was that?
Hold up. Yeah, hold up. I forgot we paid him.
Oh, yeah, he added the 55.61. That's what happened.
Oh, yeah, yes. Sorry. I didn't do what you. Yeah, okay.
Oh, this heat's so terrible. It's making everything so dry. Okay, so
Okay.
seriously, I'm like trying to breathe normally, but I feel like I'm gonna choke on air. It's so dry. Okay, so right here we finally did the commissions here for Super A Market. So Albert deserves his $92.04. So good for him. All right.
Yeah, he needs it.
Yes. All right. So now we can go ahead and continue on because that should be completely done for this transaction here. Okay. And Albert did a back-to-back order. So
Anybody there?
whoever wants to do it.
All right, I'm going again. I'll let you jump in halfway, okay? All right.
I'll bail you out if you need it.
Thank you. All right. I'm currently copy and pasting what we were going to do. Accounts receivable, sells regular coffee, sells supreme coffee. No mugs this time. And we delivered it, so we're going to charge them the $30. Of June.
What the heck did I press? Oh, go away. Does everyone see that? I can't
Yes.
put it away. All right. All right. So, whoa, no, I don't want to save anything. We're not there yet. All right. So here, delivery income. Copy that and paste it here. All right. And any notes that you want to put here?
Of course I do. I'm trying to take away the mugs real fast. All right. Yes. Delivered. Great. Restaurant. Invoice number 108. In our terms, 1%, 10 days, net 20. Accounts receivable for 585 and 85 cents. I mean, 585 and 87 cents.
Hold on. Let me do the account numbers. I forgot to copy them. Is delivery income 47,000?
Come again?
Is the delivery income 48?
No, 48, yes.
Okay. All right. Okay. Go ahead.
Okay. Accounts receivable. We can check this after we put in our numbers, just because I like doing that now. Sells regular coffee at $256.62. Supreme coffee $299.25 in a 25, not 23. Sorry, and our $30 delivery fee. So our total does come out to $585 and 87 cents. If everybody's okay, we're going to move on to our journal ledger. Accounts receivable. I'll make sure I do it at the end. Make sure he gets his commission.
Okay, that's at the end.
Yeah, do that at the end. All right, 27th June.
Hold on. I lost. There it is. Accounts receivable. Okay, got it.
Invoice. 27th June, invoice 108. General Journal 16. And I believe we're going to debit that for 585 and 87 cents. Brings our running balance to 2,560 and 42 cents.
2560 42. Yes, good.
Now, I'm going to go to revenues. I started. 27th of June. Invoice 108 for 78 pounds. General Journal 16. Credit of 52.56.62, which brings our balance to $1,112.02.
256.62, which gives you an ending balance of, oops, 1112.02. Is that what you said?
Yes. Okay. Now we're going to move on down to Supreme Coffee. Invoice number 108, 75 pounds. Journal 16. A credit of $299.45. Which brings our current balance to $11.57.10. Now we scroll all the way down to our delivery income. Invoice number 108, General Journal 16. Another credit for $30. And we made a total balance of 210. I mean, our balance should be 240. I'm sorry.
Yeah, 240, good.
Now that this is done, I am going to go make sure our guy gets his credit. So I'm going to commissions on secondary ledger. Now I'm putting the dates when everything was delivered. So
Oh, 108.
108. His commission was going to be $58.59, which brings his commission to $196.58. Is that correct?
Yes.
Now we got to go back to our general journal.
Still got one more thing to do.
Okay. Oh, boom. How did I forget our customer?
Yeah, we have to send them an invoice.
Yes.
Customers. So we deliver to great restaurants. So at the very top.
27th of June. Believer. Invoice. Wait. I messed up somewhere. Hold up. Our general journal 16. Same terms as above, 1%. 10 days, net 20. Our discount date is going to be the 7th. July 7th. Our due date is going to be the the 17. Total sales of 585 and 87 cents. I haven't done the formula here, so I'm gonna do the formula in accounts receivable equals above.
No.
Oh no, sorry. Delete that. Back. Okay. Equal our sales
Mm-hmm.
minus our advance payment
Mm-hmm.
minus our sales in return minus sales discount minus any payment, which is still going to come out to 585 and 87 cents. They currently owe us 1141 and 92 cents.
Good.
And now we are complete.
Yes.
Okay. Back to our general journal.
Oh, you meant you were complete. Okay.
Because we gave them credit for delivering it, the customer, and now we're gonna go back and do our cost of goods.
Good. All right. Make sure you know that you're going to be starting a new journal. 627. All right.
All right. Seeing we got the quantities for regular spring coffee, and we got this down in our journal, we're gonna go straight to inventory to figure out our figures. Then I'm gonna step out for a second, and I will cash up. Alan, you're up.
Okay. We're over on the general journal for the cost of goods, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let's see. Oh, I see that you're on. Okay.
Yep. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Let's see. He updated the inventory, correct?
He's going. He stopped there.
Oh, okay. Then we have to update the inventory before we put our figures in.
Correct.
Okay. So we will go to regular coffee. And make sure I'm using the right invoice here. 108. Okay. So we sold on 627. We sold 78 pounds at a price of 1.63077 to give us a total of 127.20.
Okay.
Then you move over and subtract the 78 from the 107.25 to give you 29.25.
29.25.
Subtract the 127.20 from the 174.90 to give you 47.70. With the new price, actually it stayed the same. 1.63077.
Good.
Then we move over to Supreme Coffee. It'll be 627. Now from our last batch, we don't have enough. So I dropped down 2 lines, put 75 pounds. and I put the 2475 so that in between I could do my math. 75 minus 2475 is 5025.
Oh, you said 75 minus 2475.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, good.
Okay. For the 2475, the cost per item is 1.86000. Should give you a total cost of 4604.
Okay, so remember we had to.
So that should be 4603. Well, this, I went a little further, and this is where I was discussing with you, and I wasn't sure what to do.
Mm-hmm.
So it should be 4603, correct?
Mm-hmm.
And then we will take the 5025 times 1.85000 to give you 9296. Below that, I did an equal sum to get 138.99. Then we need to update the inventory on the right. Zero out that one, yes. And then 125 minus the 5025. Should give you 74.75. And then subtract the 92.96. And mine zeroed out, so I don't know what.
Okay, so I got 138.29 left remaining.
Can we go back and see Supreme Coffee, the 75 pounds? What was the total? It was, I got 139. Am I wrong?
What do you mean 139?
For the when we added up the right there, I'm off by a penny again.
Because you rounded this number here, right? It's supposed to be 4603, not 4604. Because of that half a penny, remember?
Oh, again, okay. That half a penny was always going to kill me.
Yes.
All right, yeah. I'm good.
Okay. All right.
General Journal. Cost of goods, regular coffee. Thank you, Alan. I like following along. It's making more sense, but I'm always off a penny. All right. Cost of goods sold. Regular coffee is going to be 106.14.
No.
Oh, where did I?
What was your cost per item? Because I don't think you changed it.
Should be 138.99, right?
Oh, sorry, I got to change that. I got 10. I typed it in myself. I fat finger it again. I put 1.3. 1.6. 3077. Yes, 127 and 20 cents.
Okay.
Let me go back. Again, I'm off by always a bunch of pennies. Okay, 127 and 20 cents. Supreme coffee. Just went over that one.
138.99.
Okay, same regular coffee, 127.20. Supreme, 138.99. From here to our cost of goods on our ledger.
Okay, ledger.
uh, 27th June. Okay, 27th June, we sold 78 pounds. General Journal 17 at 127 and 20 cents, which brings our running balance to $965.80. From here, cost of goods sold, Supreme Coffee,
Okay, hold on. Okay.
sold 75 pounds. General Journal 17 for $138.99. Brings a running total of $1,008.96. Now to our assets.
Can you hold on right there for a minute?
All right.
please?
Let me go back.
Sorry.
No worries.
I accidentally put Supreme under regular. I
That's-
mean regular under Supreme, so I had to change it.
Okay.
Okay, I'm good, thank you.
General ledger, assets, regular coffee.
Okay.
Right. 27th of June, we sold 78 pounds. Our general journal is going to be 17. Credit for $127.20. It brings our running balance to, yes, it matches up, $47.70. Supreme coffee. We sold 75 pounds. General Journal 17. A credit of $138.99. It brings our running total to $138.29, which matches.
$138.29. Excellent. So there we go. So make sure that you do your calculations carefully. Yes, equal round does suck, and you do have to make sure that your calculations are, as accurate as possible, but making sure that you don't miss those calculations. It's always good rule of thumb if you know the basics where you take the ending and you kind of like compare them. Is this what it's supposed to be? So once again, sometimes it will trick you and you might throw an extra penny because of that rounding issue. So there we have it. Our general journal's done. Our general ledger is done. And this scenario is complete. All right, so when we come back from tomorrow, we'll continue on with this transaction on the 27th.